Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making these simple butter cookies with just few ingredients. This cookie is fun to make. If you have kids, make it with them. They will love it because of the different shapes. We will start by adding 250 grams of soft butter to a bowl. If your butter is not soft, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Cream the butter for a bit just to make it smooth. Next, we will add 200 grams of icing sugar. Then we will mix until creamy. Next, we will add 480 grams of all-purpose flour. One tablespoon of vanilla sugar. This is optional, you can totally skip it. Mix together until a soft dough is formed. You can use your hand, it's way easier that way. After mixing, your dough should come together like this. Sprinkle some flour on a work surface. Place the dough on a work surface and divide in a way that it will be easier for you to work with. I divided mine into two. Roll out the dough using a rolling pin as flat as possible, but not so flat. Then for the fun part, get cookie cutters of different shapes. I will be starting with triangle. You can start with any shape of your choice. Next, you will layer your baking tray with parchment paper and transfer the cookie cutouts. Next, I will cut the circle shape. After cutting, I'll transfer to a baking tray. Next, I'll cut the star shape. I'll transfer to a baking tray. Repeat the process for the rest of the shapes and also until you have exhausted all your dough. Remember, you can use any shape of your choice. When you are done with the shaping and the cutting, it's time for baking. You will bake in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the cookie to cool down completely, then you can store in an airtight container. This cookie lasts up to a month. I hope you will enjoy making these cookies, especially making them with your kids if you have any. You can snack on these cookies all day. You can also pair it with any beverage of your choice. This cookie is perfect for every occasion. For your tea time, for your kids' birthdays, to take to work, to take to school. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe. And I would also love to read about your questions, your suggestions, your recommendations. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.